Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to be talking about how financial dashboards can actually transform the way that you run your business. Proverbs we read, know well the condition of your flocks and pay attention to your herds. For us, that means knowing the condition of our finances. Dashboards are the tool that make that possible. So today I'm going to show you how one brand went from chaos to clarity by using the dashboards as a stewardship tool, and I'll share these metrics you should be tracking in your store. First, my name is Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA, certified Proverbs professional, and a financial guide. My mission is simple, and that's to help business owners like you finally get paid, master your cash flow, and run a business that gives you freedom. I started Curtis Accounting Solutions because most business owners don't need more spreadsheets. They need a plan that actually works, even with inventory, seasonal sales, and cash flow chaos. If that's you, you're in the right place. So drop a comment, hit that like, share the button, share the video, and follow along. All right, let's dive in. Too many store owners only see the revenue. Only look at that top line. Revenue does not equal profit, and profit doesn't even equal cash. So without dashboards, you're running your business like you're driving a car with no gauges except the speedometer. And it could be really fun, but it's also very, very dangerous. So you're just running blind. So there's no visibility on your cash flow. There's no visibility in inventory. There's no visibility on your ads or anything like that. Again, it's just looking at one gauge, not all. So we set up dashboards that combine the cash flow clarity with profit first principles. And these dashboards track 8 specific metrics every store should be monitoring. And that's what we're going to walk through today. So for example, if you make $100,000 in sales, but you spend $90,000, you're only going to be keeping $10,000. That's a 10% profit. Now, dashboards reveal whether sales are actually turning money in your pocket or not. So if you sell a jacket for $100 and it costs you $60 to make or buy it, your margin is a 40% margin. Dashboards should flag this when your costs creep up or discounts eat into those margins. You want to make sure you're watching. Now, net profit includes ads, payroll, shipping, software, all of those things. That's the bottom line, right? A store at 15% net profit margin is actually pretty strong and healthy. And at 5%, you're probably just barely hanging on. It might still be positive, but it's not great. Dashboards let you see the numbers clearly month after month and look and spot those trends. Now, you can be profitable on paper and still run out of cash. Years ago, there was a company called Enron. If you don't know what that is, look it up. They were profitable on paper, but still didn't have any cash. And dashboards really help you to look at the real balance of things, help you build that 2 to 3 month cash cushion that we're looking for. So if you spend $1,000 on ads and make $4,000 back, that's a 4x on your return. And that's really great. But if it flips to only 1.5, you're losing some money potentially. You got to make a change. And dashboards are what really help you to spot those changes and make the changes that are needed. Now, too much inventory also traps your cash. Too little loses out on sales, and dashboards show how fast you can actually turn our products into cash so you can buy smart. Now, fixed costs, like costs that don't change over a month, are $10,000 and your margins are 50%. In order to break even, you need to have $20,000 in sales every. Dashboards put that number right up where you can see it and show you what you're looking for, give you an aim for what you're looking for. If you have 10,000 visitors, convert at 2%, that's 200 orders a month. At 3%, that's 300 orders a month. That's a 50% jump with no extra traffic. It's just changing a few things, and dashboards are the only thing that are going to help you to know if your marketing was working or not working. Now, prospective clients, Brooklyn and John, ran their store on just what they were feeling like was happening at the moment until they gave some dashboards and got some visibility into it. Now they can look at their margins, their cash flow, their inventory, their marketing ROI at a glance and know exactly where they are, what tweaks they need to make in their business. They have investors and they can see those clean numbers and know exactly what's going on and have that peace of mind that comes with it. Now, dashboards are more than just pretty graphs. They're actually stewardship in action. With 8 key metrics, you're going to know exactly where you stand, make the data-driven decisions, and step into financial freedom. So if you have any questions or need assistance with managing your company's finances, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you turn inventory chaos into predictable profit and experience some real financial freedom. Schedule a call with me. You can scan the QR code or click on the link in the first pinned comment below. And don't forget to follow me, Jacob Curtis, CPA, Curtis Accounting Solutions, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all soon.